Hey guys, welcome to the corner, and it is week number 5 of Spanky's Crafty Corner 2019 Group Challenge 52 Weeks of Tags. Hello. So this week I have my tag pre-gessoed, and I am in my craft room, craft room, not the living room no more. And I did clear a spot area out so I could do this video, and because I pre-record them a few days beforehand so I get them up and ready to go. And I have new lighting, so hopefully it works well. So this week's words are, or prompts I should say, is adventure. That's our word. You have to use a magazine page or a page from a catalog, magazine, travel brochure. Magazine basically is the gist of it, and our color combination is blue and green. And I have gone through a travel magazine, and this is my image I will be using, so I'll cut this out. I don't have to paint my tag because this covers the whole image. Or this whole image covers my tag, I should say. So that is what I will be using. Kind of simple this week for me. And I'm loving all the tags I've seen with all the other challenges weeks. So can't wait to see what you guys come up with for this week's challenge. I can't believe we're already on week 5. January is almost over. Crazy. I hope everybody's enjoying it so far. I feel a sneeze coming on. Hopefully it misses me. And I think that's pretty good. So there's my magazine and my colors, green and blue. Or blue and green, I mean. And I am going to use, I have a sticker here that says adventure on it. And I'm going to stick that across, maybe sideways. We'll see. So I'm just going to glue this down there by Mod Podge it. It's weird not being in the other room. I don't have everything in here and put up yet. Like, I still got quite a bit to go, but I wanted to get this done. And I will have to trim around this, so for now I have it where I want it. I have to trim around the edge. Alright, so I'm going to use this glue stick really quick to glue it in place so I can move it around. And I'll make sure it's all covered. I'll have to trim a little bit around the edges is all. So this way it's glued down so I can Mod Podge it. Just to hold in place so I can start on one half and then I'll move to the other half. And grab a paintbrush here. Hope everybody's staying warm in this cold weather. We've had nasty snow and we've had some nasty rain. And we've had, it's just been crap. Freezing rain last night. We had a lot of snow the other day. I'm free, like it's cold. I'm over the cold already. I don't like the cold anyways, but. Okay, so we'll press that down in there. Slide this over. Pull that back. There we go. Here we go. Set that there. Get my baby wipe here and wipe this off. I don't like that this, yeah, it did it again. When I wipe this off, it bleeds through onto my surface down below. So I think we're just not going to use that craft mat. Let me see here. Wipe this off really quick. No, don't want Mod Podge stuck on there. And I'll just use my glass mat here. And move that out of the way. And hopefully the light doesn't glare on this too bad. Oh, not too bad. So I got a couple new lights. Instead of having 5 lamps around the workstation with 10 light bulbs total, I just have 2 LED lights that clamp on the right behind the webcam here, and they were a gift from my mama's. And in order to get them, I had to clean the craft room and get everything in place and put my living room back to normal. Back together. No more crafting in the living room. So, alright, so we've got this all glued down. A few spots it needs a little bit more glue. There we go. Pixie is behind me. She's liking it. She's running around. I'm learning where everything's going, so that's fun. That's always fun, right? Oh, I didn't think about doing that. I had an idea, but we'll save that for another time. So you can see part of the light up here, or right there. You can see the part of the light. They're not very big, but they put off some light, and they have 5 different settings. Oh, I got an air bubble in there. That ain't good. But I like it. Let's see if I can't peel this back and get... Oh, that's cool. Actually, see if I can't get some Mod Podge up in there. There we go. And I don't know where my bone folder is. I did not bring that in here yet. There we go. So this week's tag is simple for me. And we will trim around the edge here, there, and I'll take the heat gun to it to help it dry. Second here. Go. Okay, so let me heat set this really quick and I'll be right back. There we go. A little bit of an air bubble here, but that's okay. And now, I think we're gonna stick this like that. Yeah. Maybe. I wish that was cut out of there a little bit. I don't think I can get in there with my scissors, so we'll just leave it like that. And we will do that. And then I find my hole punch. I've got my crocodile. My big bite right here. Let's see here. And it's... see if I can't move it upright. Turn it upside down. There we go. And there is the tag for the week. Simple, easy. I like how it turned out so far. I think it turned out good, considering. And I was looking for something. Oh, here it is. So here we go. So this week's tag challenge is right there. Pretty simple. Not much of a mess. I'm happy with it. I like it. To me, adventure is being like just doing stuff. Riding a bike, swimming, skydiving, going on an adventure to an island. So to me, that would be an adventure. So that's how I interpreted that. So good luck, you guys. I hope you enjoy this week's word and color combo, and magazine is our texture. So I can't, oh, excuse me, I had the hiccup. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.